Hello viewers, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams in 2026. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience complete coverage on the road with the Preveo 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. Designed to monitor every angle of your vehicle, this advanced dash camera system records the front, rear, and both side views simultaneously, providing unmatched safety and peace of mind. Equipped with built-in GPS, it logs your driving routes and speed, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows seamless video playback and sharing directly from your smartphone. Engineered for all conditions, the dash cam features crystal clear night vision, ensuring sharp footage even in low-light environments. Its 24/7 recording and parking mode protect your car around the clock, capturing any incidents while parked or on the move. Installation is straightforward, and the intuitive interface makes operation effortless for any driver. Whether for personal safety, insurance protection, or fleet management, the Preveo 360-degree dash cam provides a reliable, high-quality recording solution. Drive confidently knowing every corner of your vehicle is monitored. Upgrade your car's security with this state-of-the-art, all-in-one dash camera system today. Number 2. Experience ultimate driving security with the IWEY 4-channel dash cam. Engineered for full 360 degrees coverage, it features STARVIS 2 sensors capturing stunning 2.7K front, 2K rear, and 1080p dual interior footage. Equipped with 8 IR LEDs and advanced 3.0 night vision, it ensures crystal clear recording even in total darkness, giving you peace of mind on every trip. Intelligent PlateTag AI technology enhances license plate clarity, making identification effortless in any situation. Seamlessly connect via 5 GHz Wi-Fi to review footage on your smartphone, while built-in GPS tracks routes for accurate location logging. Enjoy hands-free convenience with voice control, enabling you to operate the dashcam safely while driving. Designed for comprehensive protection, the IWEY dashcam supports 24/7 parking mode, automatically detecting motion or impacts to secure your vehicle when unattended. Expand storage up to 128 GB for uninterrupted recording, ensuring no critical moment is missed. With cutting-edge multi-channel surveillance, smart AI features, and reliable night vision, the IWEY 4-channel dash cam is the ultimate companion for driver safety, situational awareness, and complete peace of mind on the road. Number 3. Experience ultimate driving security with the Kiru 360 degrees view 4K 4-channel dashcam. Designed to capture every angle of your journey. With front, rear, and interior left and right cameras, this advanced dashcam ensures comprehensive coverage, leaving no blind spots. The ultra-clear 4K resolution delivers crisp and detailed video, making it easier to review incidents or scenic drives. Equipped with built-in GPS, you can track your routes and speed with precision, while the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows seamless real-time viewing and easy transfer of videos directly to your smartphone via the companion app. Installation is simple, and the app ensures effortless access to recordings anytime, anywhere. Perfect for cars, rideshare drivers, and anyone who values safety, the Kiru Dash Cam not only records high-quality video, but also provides peace of mind on the road. Its discreet design blends with your vehicle's interior while delivering advanced features like loop recording, G-sensor detection, and parking monitoring. Stay protected, connected, and in control with the Kiru 360 degrees 4K dash cam, the all-in-one solution for modern driving security. Number 4. Experience full-circle security with the LAMTTO 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam, designed to keep every angle of your vehicle under watch. Equipped with front, rear, and interior cameras, this all-in-one system ensures comprehensive coverage whether you're driving, parked, or on the move. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, you can easily access live footage, download recordings and manage settings directly from your smartphone, giving you instant control anytime, anywhere. The Dashcam also features 8 IR night vision for crystal clear video in complete darkness, enhancing your safety during late night drives. Its parking monitor function detects impacts and sudden movements, automatically recording incidents even when your car is parked. In emergencies, the built-in emergency recording ensures critical events are saved immediately, providing reliable evidence when you need it most. Sleek, durable, and intuitive, the LAMTTO 360 dash cam brings peace of mind to every journey. Protect your car, passengers, and belongings with a single device that combines cutting-edge technology, smart app integration, and round-the-clock monitoring. Number 5. The Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360 degrees 2.7K dash cam is the ultimate all-in-one solution for complete vehicle monitoring and security. Featuring 4CH STARVIS 2-night vision, this dash cam delivers crystal clear video with 2.7K front, 1440p interior, and dual 1080p rear coverage, ensuring no detail is missed around your vehicle day or night. Its advanced 360-degree camera system captures every angle, providing peace of mind whether you're driving or parked. Equipped with 24/7 buffered parking mode, the Vantrue N5S continuously monitors your vehicle even when you're away, automatically recording any motion or impact. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows seamless access to videos on your smartphone for easy sharing and reviewing, without removing the SD card. Durable and easy to install, this dash cam is perfect for personal cars, rideshare vehicles, or fleet management. With intelligent features like loop recording, G-sensor, and motion detection, the Vantrue N5S ensures you always have reliable, high-quality footage when it matters most. Protect your car and drive with confidence with the Vantrue N5S, your vigilant eyes on the road 24/7.